Delhi Liquorgate case. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal's plea was being heard by the Delhi Rouse Avenue Court, and in the latest, we're learning that the Delhi court has reserved the order on the bail plea filed by Arvind Kejriwal. So, after a host of arguments presented by the Enforcement Directorate and the legal counsel of Arvind Kejriwal, this is the latest coming in. In fact, remember, the kind of arguments that came to fore were in line with what the Enforcement Directorate said yesterday, to which Arvind Kejriwal's lawyer said that there's nothing to show that 45 crore rupees were given to the Aadmi party. There's no material evidence. With more details, Ananya, no relief so far for Arvind Kejriwal. In the latest, we're learning that the Delhi court has reserved the order on his bail plea.
Well, definitely, Christine, there is no kind of relief that has at this particular point of time come for the Delhi Chief Minister in the Delhi excise policy scam case. Remember that today, while the Enforcement Directorate was putting forth its argument, it punched the hole in the defense of Arvind Kejriwal, clearly pointing out the whole trail of hawala transactions that have taken place, and also showing those tokens that were used, in fact, to get those hawala money, and how that money for the Goa elections, and also for the stay of the Delhi Chief Minister during the Goa elections in a 7-star hotel, and the bills were paid by the hawala money, is what the allegations of the Enforcement Directorate are. The Enforcement Directorate also stated that, though Mr. Arvind Kejriwal can constantly say that there is no kind of evidence, there are only statements, but there is documentary evidence available with regards to how, these hawala transactions have taken place, and how Mr. Arvind Kejriwal had a direct role to play when it comes to this whole money laundering racket of the Delhi excise policy scam case. And today, the court has now reserved its order on the bail plea of the Delhi Chief Minister. So we'll have to wait and watch as to how things pan out, and whether or not, Mr. Kejriwal is granted any kind of relief by the Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court.
Okay, all right. Ananya, many thanks for joining us with the latest.